Welcome to the introduction video for the ThermoPro TP08B wireless cooking thermometer. Out of the box, you will receive one customer support card, one user manual, one receiver, one transmitter, two stainless steel temperature probes, one probe clip, and four AAA batteries. Go ahead and install the batteries into both devices and insert the probes into the transmitter. Now let's go over the receiver features. It has an LCD display, an alarm indicator, a low battery indicator, a signal icon, is equipped with a soft rubber sleeve, a tabletop stand, a hanging hole, and a battery compartment. Now let's go over the buttons. The Probe 1 alarm button activates Probe 1 temperature settings. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds to enable and disable the alarm. Probe 2 timer button activates Probe 2 temperature settings. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds to enter the timer mode. The up arrow HR button increases temperature and timer settings. Down arrow minute button decreases temperature and timer settings. The light FC button activates the backlight and can change between Fahrenheit and Celsius. The barbecue food button allows you to switch between food and barbecue high and low settings, while in timer mode, it's the timer control button. The power sync button powers on the receiver. Press and hold this button for 2 seconds to synchronize with the transmitter. Now let's go over the transmitter features and buttons. The transmitter has an LCD display that shows both Probe 1 and Probe 2 readings, has a low battery indicator, 2 probe ports, a wire stand that can also be used as a hanger, Fahrenheit Celsius power button, and a light button for usage in low light conditions. Let's go over the quick setting guide. Press the Probe 1 alarm button once to activate the temperature setting. Use the up arrow HR or down arrow minute buttons to increase or decrease your desired temperature setting. You can hold to scroll faster. Press the Probe 1 alarm button to confirm the setting. To set a barbecue high-low temperature range setting, press the barbecue clear button to switch from Probe 2 to barbecue high and low temperature range setting. Press the Probe 2 timer button to activate the barbecue high setting. Use the up arrow HR or down arrow minute button to adjust the desired temperature setting. Press the Probe 2 button to confirm the high setting, and it will automatically enter into the barbecue low setting. Use the HR minute buttons again to adjust the low setting. Press the Probe 2 button to confirm the low setting, and then the high-low range setting is complete. Next, we will show setting a countdown timer. Press and hold the Probe 2 timer button to enter the timer mode. Press the HR button to increase the hour. Press the minute button to increase the minutes. Press the barbecue, food, start, stop, clear button to start and control the timer. Next, we will show how to set a count up timer. Press and hold the Probe 2 timer button to enter the timer mode. With the timer stopped, press and hold the clear button to clear the timer back to 0. When you press the barbecue button again, it will automatically start your count up timer. You are now ready to set up and use your brand new ThermoPro TP08B wireless cooking thermometer.